Welcome to Wonder Trees. Remember, it's your channel. Don't forget to subscribe and touch the bell icon to get the quick notification of my next video. These are beautiful hibiscus flowers growing on a bonsai plant. The early video, if you have watched, it was under the title of How to Wearing and Repot a flowering plant, hibiscus. It is the same plant. It was the last video was on this plant, was posted on the last day of the last year, that is 31st of December 2016. In that video, I will give you a link on the description, or you can search the same title, How to Wearing and Repot a Flowering Plant, Hibiscus. You see the shining leaves of the plant. In these months, this plant has been giving me flowers. I love flowers. We all love flowers. I have little space. We may have little space too. In that video, as I had said, it is to suit the minimum of accommodation, place, and it is not dirty. We need flowers. Why we grow plants? For flowers and beauty. I watch the leaves of the plant. If they seem to be shining, I am happy with them. And I wish for the flowers. If I get, I am happy with the plant. And happy with me too. To add beauty to the plants, I had suggested, and the same thought was earlier described as how it was purchased from the market. It is a coin saving pot which I had got to and made holes at the bottom. Now I am getting boards, you see. There are boards you are watching. To me, it's a success bonsai, hibiscus. Making of this bonsai plant has well described in a long video of 15 minutes or more than that. How to wearing and reporting. This is the result. Getting flowers almost every day. Enjoying. Wish you enjoy. You can watch my videos on Bonsai 5G, the trees of the next generation. Thanks for watching.